Welcome to Clear Voice English. In this video, you'll discover how to master English speaking skills right from the comfort of your home. No expensive courses, no need to travel, just practical, powerful techniques that work. Here are 5 proven strategies to boost your fluency. Consistent daily practice, because repetition builds confidence. Speaking aloud regularly, even if no one's listening. Active listening, to train your ear for real conversations. Learning phrases, not just words, so you sound natural. And finally, tracking your progress, to stay motivated and focused. Stick around as we break each of these down into simple, actionable steps that you can start using today. Let's begin. Speaking is like any other skill. The more you use it, the better you get. Start with these 4 powerful home speaking exercises. Number 1, record yourself. Read a short paragraph out loud and record your voice. Then listen closely. Notice your pronunciation, pacing, and clarity. This helps you catch mistakes and measure improvement over time. Number 2, narrate your day. Talk through your daily actions in English. Start simple. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making coffee. Later, try adding more detail and emotion. Number 3, 2-minute tests. Set a timer. Pick a random topic like your favorite movie or today's weather. Speak without stopping for 2 full minutes. It's not about perfection, it's about fluency and confidence. And number 4, small talk practice. Write down answers to common questions like, "Where are you from?" or "What do you do for fun?" Practice role-playing different situations like job interviews, casual chats, or ordering food. To speak well, you need to listen well. Here's how to train your ears and your brain. Start with podcasts and audio lessons. Pick topics you enjoy. Repeat key phrases out loud. Note how native speakers use intonation and rhythm. Watch English movies and shows with subtitles. Pause. Repeat the lines. Try to match the actor's voice, tone, and accent. This is called shadowing, and it works wonders. Love music? Use it. Listen to English songs. Sing along. Look up unfamiliar lyrics to learn new phrases and idioms. Reading helps too, especially when it connects to speaking. Start with simple books or articles. Read them out loud. Highlight new expressions and keep a journal of useful vocabulary. Read the news or blogs, then summarize what you learned in your own words. Try to discuss it out loud, even if you're just talking to yourself. You don't have to do it all alone. Here are some amazing tools and platforms to support your English journey. Language apps. Try Duolingo for fun lessons. Hello Talk or Tandem to chat with native speakers. And Elsa Speak for instant pronunciation feedback. Online communities. Join the British Council or forums like Reddit's r/English Learning. Practice live on Discord servers or find a tutor on italki. Media platforms? Watch YouTube channels like this one. Explore BBC Learning English, Netflix, Audible, and more. Learning tools. Use Anki for flashcards. Search pronunciation with Youglish. Record yourself and review with free voice recorder apps. Reading materials. Find free ebooks on Project Gutenberg or use lyrics training to practice with songs. And don't forget to practice. Shadow native speakers. Try tongue twisters. Speak to yourself or role-play real-life situations. Many of these resources are free or offer premium upgrades. Staying motivated can be the hardest part, but here's how to keep going even when it gets tough. Set realistic goals. Break your learning into small steps. Track your progress with journals or apps. Celebrate the little victories. Make learning fun. Choose topics you love, whether it's cooking, travel, or science fiction. Watch movies, listen to music, or play language games. Accept mistakes. They're not failures, they're part of the process. Find a partner or community. Learning is easier with support. And most importantly, stay consistent. 5 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Keep reminding yourself, you're not just learning English, you're opening doors to new opportunities, ideas, and friendships. So speak up, practice daily, and let your English voice grow stronger every day. Don't just study English, live it, speak it, and enjoy it every day. Let us know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge in speaking English fluently at home? Subscribe to Clear Voice English for weekly videos on English conversation skills, listening and speaking practice, learning English with real-life context,